It wasn't even an idea of missing something or not, or lacking something, or something being imperfect. So the soul remembers this perfected state of beingness. And so every time we experience something imperfect, or we experience something that's missing, what we want to do is we want to go back into the soul. And we're going to try this out once or twice in the class. Go back into the soul, and the soul is in the present. It's in the now, okay? So even though the soul expands, of course, all the time, but the way we attach to the soul is through now, through here, through the neshima, through the breath, by closing our eyes and going inward and hearing that truth come up. So when I'm in a place of complaint and I feel like something's lacking, or I'm in quandary and confusion and lost and fragmented and feel torn apart and overwhelmed and all those negative emotions that every one of us can kind of go check, right? We all feel it sooner or later. We want to be able to go inward and hear what the soul has to say to us. What is that truth? What is that directive? Where do we go, right?